Hey folks, lyarri here. Today we're going to be watching the craziest car crash compilation, Best of Driving Fails, USA, Canada, UK, and more, by Dashcam Academy. I've only seen World of Idiots videos so far. This seems interesting. The thumbnail looks good. Let's see what's in it. Let's go.
More, 80. A little more, 85. 84. Oh, they're turned. They have a turn signal on.
They didn't. So I honked.
They put it on?
Yes.
Oh my
God.
Jesus.
Holy
U.S. Congress.
Okay. That looked dramatic.
Wow.
Wait. Oh, okay. Wow.
The Senate and House of Representatives.
It flipped. Whoa. I'd be so terrified if that happened to me. Good job pulling over. Smart. Check if your car is okay. Oh no. This is my worst nightmare. At least it didn't flip.
God.
Oh no, not the truck. That was definitely the worst possible thing. I wasn't expecting that. Oh my god. Props to this guy. They did a good job. What else are you gonna do there? Oh no. Oh god. What can even happen here? Oh my. This is making me really uncomfortable. Like holy shit, this video, like the World of Idiots videos usually are like a little relaxing. This is just like, oh my. Oh no. That's my nightmare too. Like, oh god, so much of this is like, I worry about this when I drive. Oh no.
Wow.
This is what I needed. That was funny. Oh. Oh my god. Respect to that lady. Oh my god, she actually like stopped and got out. What? It's a good parking job. Honestly, kind of impressive. Oof. The truck's barely damaged. The engine's like fucked. Oh. The tow truck has a car attached. That's why it's like. Originally, I was like, what? Just brake. Road rage.
With greater challenges, their commitment grows stronger. That's the power of you. Learn more
Wait, is he vaping? Oh my god.
from VS Studio, a branding and marketing.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
They had a good reaction. It's hard to like there's so many things that can happen once they hit the wall. Like you don't know if they're gonna spin, if they're like, but like that person, like they reacted instantly to what actually happened. I don't know. Like I don't know what's like the proper method there, but like I feel like what they did was pretty solid. They were able to break quick.
1,200 a day. But let's assume 1,000 to account for illness or unforeseen happenings. That's the most we can predict.
How?
That might give us close to our 10,000.
Yikes. Oh, that didn't look as bad as I thought it would be. Thank God.
Honey? Damn.
Me. I've had that happen before. Oh my gosh. This video does the advertising element so much. Probably works well though. That's like every day in Florida. Yikes. Props. That's what I do. This is literally me. Oh my god, 100% me.
Czekaj, Huberciś.
I would be like, can I get through that? I guess I have to pull over. It's like, I'm not sure if this is like what's recommended, but I feel like if you're like in the accident scene, unless if like you can actually contribute to like reporting what happened as a witness, like you definitely don't want to like stop like right where the accident happened, because like what if you then become part of it from another car not like reacting appropriately? I don't know. That's my take. That's spooky.
No, I do. I'm sorry.
What is it about him?
No.
Right. Did you do go on a holiday or?
I've never been on a plane.
Hang on a minute. Have you ever been on holiday?
No.
How old are you?
28.
That's amazing.
Yikes. Oh god. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Oh my. I feel like. Oh, that's nice. I feel like this video started a lot scarier. Now it's less scary. Oh no. That that was padding out some watch time for sure. Gosh. Alright, so I like that though. That was pretty solid. I'm not sure here, do they actually like release new videos? Maybe I'll subscribe to them. Yeah, I'm not really sold on them, but that one was pretty solid. We'll probably watch some more either from them or someone else, who knows. Overall, pretty good video. It never, let's see, read the comments. It never ceases to amaze me how many drivers rely on the horn for 3 to 5 seconds, but won't hit their brakes. I feel like gotta get them insurance payouts. Also, they act out since they have a dash cam and gotta make that content. Too many people get the mentality that they're in the right, therefore they don't have to do anything to avoid the situation. Defensive driving, blah, blah, blah. Most people don't understand the idea that they have to do something to avoid. This is all, like, very silly. Like, have these people been in a car accident? Like, it's like this, like, it's very easy to say, oh, if I was in the split-second situation, I would do the right thing. But there's so many factors to consider. And, like, I've been very fortunate in most accidents or near accident situations I've been in. I've done, like, proper things, but like it's really like it's easy not to. It's really easy. So yeah, these people are just like memes. Anyways, imagine walking out of the store just to see another car sitting on top of yours. Yeah, especially after the 9-hour shift. Can we just take a moment to appreciate the airbag reaction time we have nowadays? Let's see. Oh yeah, that's true. That's funny. Well, not funny, but like the airbag's there. And finally, this is true. Like the fact that like it's super late driving, this guy's a dash cam, that guy's literally a hidden cop. That's very unlucky. It's not like I don't run these red lights at night, but that's mostly because I'm afraid of there being a hidden cop. Um the good streets, like they get flashing late at night, but that can be scary sometimes, especially like I live in Florida. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye. Whoa. Hey folks, lyarri here. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe to me on YouTube, on Twitch, and have a great rest of your day. Bye.